This lesson uses special techniques to help you improve your speaking skills. This is because you only have 3 seconds to answer each question. First, you will hear a very short story. Then there are 5 different exercises. Simply follow the instructions and remember you only have 3 seconds to answer. The grammar is simple, but don't let that fool you. This exercise can be very difficult. The Black Cat Part 1 in past tense.
Yesterday, Lena was walking home. It was 5 in the evening and she was very tired after a long day at work. Suddenly, Lena saw a black cat in front of her. She was afraid because black cats were bad luck. She tried to cross the street, but the black cat stopped her and started talking. "Where are you going?" the black cat asked. "I'm going across the street," Lena said. "Why?" the black cat asked. "Because you're a black cat and everyone knows black cats are bad luck," Lena said. It wasn't true that black cats were bad luck, but everyone was so mean to the cat. Lena asked if the cat could do anything else, like dance. It said no and asked if Lena had any food because it was hungry. Lena didn't have any, but she could give it something to eat if it came with her to her house.
Exercises. Third person past tense.
A. Change the sentence into a question.
For example, Tom was walking. Was Tom walking?
1. Lena was tired. Was Lena tired? 2. Lena was afraid. Was Lena afraid? 3. The cat talked. Did the cat talk? 4. The black cat talked to Lena. Did the black cat talk to Lena? 5. It was 5 in the evening. Was it 5 in the evening? 6. Lena and the black cat went to Lena's house. Did Lena and the black cat go to Lena's house? 7. Lena was walking home. Was Lena walking home? 8. Lena was walking home. What? What was Lena doing? 9. Lena was walking home. Where? Where was Lena walking? 10. It was 5 in the evening. What time? What time was it? 11. Lena saw a black cat. Did Lena see a black cat? 12. Lena saw a black cat. What? What did Lena see? 13. Lena was afraid because black cats are bad luck. Why? Why was Lena afraid? 14. The cat talked. What do? What did the cat do? 15. The cat stopped Lena 2 times. How many? How many times did the cat stop Lena? 16. Lena was tired yesterday. When? When was Lena tired? 17. The cat asked for food because it was hungry. Why? Why did the cat ask for food? B. Answer the questions.
For example, was Tom walking? Yes. Yes, he was walking. Don't worry about replacing other things. Only focus on the subject.
1. Was Lena tired? Yes. Yes, she was tired. 2. Was Lena afraid? Yes. Yes, she was afraid. 3. Was the black cat afraid? No. No, it wasn't afraid. 4. Did the black cat talk to Tom? No. No, it didn't talk to Tom. 5. Who did the cat talk to? It talked to Lena. 6. What was Lena doing at the beginning? walk home. She was walking home. 7. Where was Lena walking? Home. She was walking home. 8. What did Lena see? She saw a black cat. 9. Why was Lena afraid? Bad luck. She was afraid because black cats are bad luck. 10. What did Lena try to do? Continue, walk. She tried to continue walking. 11. What did the cat do? Talk. It talked. 12. How many times did the black cat stop Lena? 2. It stopped Lena 2 times. 13. Why did the cat ask for food? Hungry. It asked for food because it was hungry.
First person past tense.
A. Change to first person.
For example, Tom was happy. I was happy.
1. Lena was tired. I was tired. 2. Lena wasn't tired. I wasn't tired. 3. Lena didn't try to continue eating. I didn't try to continue eating. 4. Lena didn't think black cats were bad luck. I didn't think black cats were bad luck. 5. Lena was walking home. I was walking home. 6. Where was Lena walking? Where was I walking? 7. Lena saw a black cat. I saw a black cat. 8. Lena didn't see a black cat. I didn't see a black cat. 9. Lena was afraid. I was afraid. 10. Lena wasn't afraid. I wasn't afraid. B. Change the sentence into a question.
For example, you were hungry. Were you hungry?
1. You were tired. Were you tired? 2. You saw a black cat. Did you see a black cat? 3. You saw a black cat. What? What did you see? 4. You were walking home. Were you walking home? 5. You were walking home. What? What were you doing? 6. You were afraid. Were you afraid? 7. You were afraid because black cats were bad luck. Why? Why were you afraid? 8. The black cat talked to you. Did the black cat talk to you? 9. The cat stopped you 3 times. How many? How many times did the cat stop you? C. Answer the questions.
For example, were you hungry? Yes. Yes, I was hungry.
1. Were you tired? Yes. Yes, I was tired. 2. Did you talk to the black cat? Yes. Yes, I talked to the black cat. 3. Did you stop the black cat? No. No, I didn't stop the black cat. 4. Did you try to continue walking? Yes. Yes, I tried to continue walking. 5. Did you try to continue eating? No. No, I didn't try to continue eating. 6. What were you doing at the beginning? Walk home. I was walking home. 7. Where were you walking? Home. I was walking home. 8. Did you see a black cat? No. No, I didn't see a black cat. 9. Did you see a white cat? No. No, I didn't see a white cat. 10. What did you see? Dog. I saw a dog. 11. Were you afraid? Yes. Yes, I was afraid. 12. Why were you afraid? Bad luck. I was afraid because black cats are bad luck. 13. How many times did the cat stop you? 3. It stopped me 3 times. 14. When were you tired? Yesterday. I was tired yesterday.
Next, the present perfect tense. A very special thanks to our Patreon supporters.